everybody, Bug Scratchers here, coming at you from the truck. I just did a little grocery shopping at the Lucky California shopping center, and they had their machine loaded up, so I figured why not hit them up. And I actually was able to get, they had them loaded backwards. I put in 60 bucks. And look at that, got the exact last tickets in the front of the book. They were loaded backwards, but these are the last tickets in the machine. So we're gonna do them backwards in the order that I got them and see what happens. I haven't played the cash bonus in a little while. My place is out of them. So let's start off with this scratchy bonus here. Nothing up top there. Let's see if we can't find some matches. Oh my God, look at that. First scratch, first match. I love it. That's what I want to see. 11 and a 3. Oh baby. I don't even remember what the prizes are on this game. I don't remember if they do tickets, prizes on this or not. Let's hope we get one more. Or let's just hope that's a big one. Alright, so nothing there. Let's see what the prize is. Zeros. Hey, 20 bucks. We'll take it. We'll take it. Awesome. Awesome possum. So here we go. 18 and 28. 43. There's a 1 off. Nothing there. 1934, 226, 25, 18. Alright, so nothing on the second ticket. Second one in. There's a key. 5 and a 36. 23, 28. So nothing there. 32. 0212. 36 and a 35. 1 off. I still have never found a symbol. Nothing on that one. That's my bucket list for this game. I have found a few different stacks of cash. I guess that's just as good as a symbol. But I'm looking to find that bag of money or the gold bar. Those are the multipliers for this game. Oh, we got a match. 1919. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got there. Zeros, I love it. Hey, 30 bucks. It's nice. Very, very nice. We're down to the last two. Got a crown. 24 to 23, that's a 1 off. I remember why I played this game so much. It's fun and rewarding. And it's hard to miss your wins, and no numbers to match. And well, they're all side by side anyway. All right, down the last ticket, 000. Little black box there for any of those believers in the black box special. We got a banana. And let's see what we got. Get anything on this ticket, it'll be even. All right, that's okay. We didn't find anything on that ticket, but we did manage to find a $20 win and a $30 win. So 50 out of 60 ain't too bad. All right. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button, push that subscribe button, and ring that bell. That way you get notifications when I do my live streams. And we'll see you on the next one. Pug Scratchers out.